Ever found yourself stuck for fresh YouTube channel ideas? It's a common struggle, no doubt about it. The quest for unique and engaging content can feel like a never-ending journey. And why wouldn't it? Originality is the lifeblood of content creation, the secret sauce that sets you apart from the crowd. But just as crucial is relevance, striking that fine balance between what's innovative and what resonates with viewers. Fear not, we have 40 exciting YouTube channel ideas coming right up. First, let's dive into the world of education and entertainment. Our journey begins with DIY tutorials. These can range from craft projects for kids to home renovation hacks for adults. Next, we have book reviews. This idea is perfect for avid readers who want to share their insights on their favorite novels or nonfiction reads. Our third idea is virtual tours. You could give your viewers a glimpse of fascinating corners of the world or maybe a peek into your local museum. Next up, we have language learning. This can be a wonderful way to share your linguistic skills with others. Now, for the foodies out there, cooking recipe channels can be a hit. Whether it's baking bread or whipping up a quick stir-fry, the possibilities are endless. Fitness tips make our sixth idea. From yoga sessions to high-intensity workouts, you can help viewers stay in shape. Personal finance advice is our seventh idea. This could be about budgeting, investing, or even how to save on everyday expenses. Tech reviews come next. This is a great avenue for gadget enthusiasts to share their thoughts on the latest devices. Our ninth idea is pet care tips. This could be about training puppies, feeding fish, or grooming horses, you name it. Finally, we end the first half of our list with more. This could include anything from gardening tips to film analysis, astronomy facts to fashion trends. So that's the first half of our list. Let's move on to the next set of ideas. Now, let's explore more creative and unique niches. How about vlogging without showing your face? This is perfect for those who want to share their experiences and stories, but prefer to keep their identities private. You could take your audience along on your travels, cook together, or even clean the house. Next, consider animated storytelling. It's a fantastic way to bring your narratives to life, and you don't need to be a professional animator to start. There are various user-friendly animation software available. ASMR videos are another option. These sensory experiences have gained popularity, offering viewers relaxation and even helping with sleep. Then there's time-lapse painting, a great way to showcase your artistic process and create mesmerizing content. For the gamers out there, video game walkthroughs could be your thing. Offer tips and tricks, or simply share your gaming adventures. Mindfulness and meditation guides can provide a haven of tranquility in the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Gardening tips are another great niche. Share your gardening journey or provide advice on growing different plants. Trivia and fact videos can cater to the naturally curious, offering bite-sized knowledge on a wide array of topics. Lastly, consider audio drama. Bring back the golden age of radio with your own modern twist. And there you have it, 40 YouTube channel ideas to kickstart your content creation journey. So, what's the main takeaway from our discussion today? It's simple. The secret to a successful Faceless YouTube channel lies in aligning your content with your passion and interests. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and unleash your creativity. We've explored 40 unique ideas, each offering a distinct opportunity to connect with viewers in a meaningful way. Remember, the best YouTube channel is the one that resonates with you and your audience. So find your niche, create your content, and start your YouTube journey today.